for the images that are similar, it will just create a description of what it sees as a prompt. So it will not, send this image as a reference. It will just create, for example, this is the AI description: full body photograph, static, planted pose. Sorry.
Yeah, I have a question actually.
Yeah.
Just now you showed us something with that brand, right?
Yeah.
The brand gave a specific face for clothing.
Right.
So, do we need to add a face in this?
No, here it's only the poses. None of these images that have been uploaded here will be used directly. The only the pose will be analyzed and used. So face that they have given will come in the future steps, which is the next step. Here it's only about pose. It will not choose the garment. It will not take the background. It will not take the accessories. Nothing. Just the pose. The way their arms and legs and faces. That's all. So that's all this is about. So if you see, even if you read this, you will understand that it's mainly about how, what is the torso rotation, all of those things. So this can be edited as well. Sometimes what happens is the analysis may result in a mistake. You don't have to read it here, but when you start generating, you will start seeing patterns. Sometimes one of the shots, let's say this is shot 1, hero shot, this shot is always creating one discrepancy that you keep seeing consistently. So then the main culprit might be the analysis itself. So you can just come here and either reanalyze, or just edit it out, just read. So for example, what happens is sometimes you will give a just as an example, one of the pose references as the model putting a hand inside the pockets. And now you use that kit on a dress that doesn't have a pocket, but then AI will actually try to put a hand inside a pocket by creating a pocket that doesn't exist. So then if such kind of a discrepancy happens multiple times, you immediately have to understand that, oh, this might be because I gave it a image that had a pocket. Let me just go and correct it over the kit. Let me just delete that line which mentions the pocket.
Okay, so we can manually edit this description, right?
Yes, you can manually edit it. So if I want to delete, I delete this. So I can manually edit it also.
Okay.
So yeah, I mean, the only thing is that initially you don't have to do the effort of manually doing it. It makes it easy for you. But then if you want,
Like 1 in a 10 situation, right?
yeah, I mean it's not frequent. So one second, let me just try to clean this. I don't know what happened here.
I guess two poses are similar. That's why maybe.
No, that is not the reason. I think I'll check this. I think it might be something to do with some tech problem. But generally, what happens is when you click on an exact image, what the difference is that in the similar, only the prompt gets sent from here to AI along with the mannequin input images. But when you select an exact, what it does is it will also send the image. Because the pose has to be exactly as it is. But the only thing is, before sending it the image, it will basically change this image into the model wearing only plain white clothing instead of this particular input image. Because otherwise what happens is it could contaminate the new product with this product that you uploaded here.
Oh, okay.
You got the point, right? I mean, you don't have to really know this, but I'm just explaining it to you. In case you mark it as exact, you will see that this image will change into a same pose, but the model wearing just white dress, so that it does no colors, no patterns that can interfere with the actual products patterns and designs. So that is what it is. But for now, let me just make it as similar itself, because I think there's some issue with that. But